great. Nothing in her size according to these receipts.
Maybe she ate him.
It's gonna be horse tomorrow. Did you get that?
Win it! Tyler, you do it. Do it. Let's see what baby does.
No, don't let him hit you with it. Again.
Again.